What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Skyscrapers by Lil Peep. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll drop kick your grandma off a skyscraper into the universe. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play this song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's got 3 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Our first chord is going to be a D major 7. You're going to bar the entire 5th fret starting with the A string with your index finger. Ring finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the D. Middle finger is going to go on the 6th fret of the G, and your pinky finger is going to go on the 7th fret of the B. Next up, we're going F minor 7. Bar the entire 9th fret with your index finger starting on the A string. Ring finger on the 11th fret with of the D string, and your middle finger on the 10th fret of the B string. And then finally an E power chord. Index finger on the 7th fret of the A, and then with your ring finger, you're going to bar the D, G, and B strings on the 9th fret. Once you get your chords down, you just need your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Don't forget to follow me on social media. My Instagram and all my other socials is @BillySchultzMusic. You can click here for how to win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.